I've been doing the monk mode routine for the past month or any other high performing routine and you have found zero success. Here is probably why. The issue that I have with those routines are that they are solely focused on your work rather than your health or any other area of your life. Even though they are great and for some people they help them achieve their goals, at least not for me. And the key is because I prefer to focus on my health rather than my work. And the first pillar, guys, for me is sleep. So basically, my experience, if you sleep at least 7 to 9 hours a day, it's perfect. You will be completely okay if you are in that range. But if you're still sleeping less than that, you probably will be struggling the next day to have a clear mind or to be able to concentrate on your work. It all comes down that you don't have enough sleep. The art of sleep, or however you wanna call it, is key, because when you're sleeping, your body is able to recover on all other positive things that you probably know. If you sleep 8 hours a day, you will be able to outperform your competition for sure. It's a very simple step to apply. Just go to bed before or earlier than you're going right now. Trust me, it will change your game, even though at the beginning you will think that you are working less and you're being less productive. Also, guys, I don't mean that you need to wake up later. You also can sleep 8 hours and get up at 6 a.m. and it will be beneficial not only for your work, it will be also if you go to the gym, you will to recover better, or if you do high intensive workout. So the benefits of the sleep are completely a game changer. I don't usually found this kind of criteria that you need to sleep at least 8 hours a day, and for me I found it a priority, but I don't know why most of entrepreneurship gurus or any routine that I found on YouTube don't have this kind of criteria like a must. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.